So for all of you rice lover out there who love cooking rice, whether for commercial or home purpose, I got the perfect product right here for you guys. And today I'm going to look at this pressure cooker, rice cooker. So this is a commercial cooker right here which come in this package. And this is the pot right here. I'm going to show you guys all the features of this in this video. I'm not going to really cook, because I'm not really a professional cooker, but I do know, can show you guys how this work and the features that this basically has to offer. Alright guys, so this is the pot right here. Now this is a 15 liter, so we can hold right here and squeeze. We can open. So that's how inside look. In the package we have these cups, these utensils, fork right there. We have a spoon which come inside, and also as always we have a user manual that you can go through. And this is how the pot look. That's the cover right there, and this is a pot that come inside. Now this pot is removable, so we can take out this pot right here. Looking neat. I love how that shine and look. So right here you can see it shows the size on it right there. So it shows how many cups, and it can also show from inside, which give you the exact measurement. So inside right here you can see we have what, 5.2 liters, which is 28 cups. So you can see right there, that's how inside look. Not too much going on right here. So this is where the heat conduct and hot, and this is a pot right here. Now this can cook for a large gathering, whether for a lot amount of people, like for 50 people. It's a lot amount. This is a lot of rice, guys, that you can use, whether outdoor, any events, any parties or anything like that, any function. This is a great pot that we can use. And this pot can removable, so if you want to wash it or anything like that, it's very great. Right here we see that do not cover, because you hot steam. So this is where the steam comes out right there. You can see something going on. Now to the front right here, I'm going to show you guys some of the features. So right here, as you can see, we have a timer. You can see porridge soup, jasmine rice, sushi rice, preset stew, warm and stop. Now this can actually warm your rice as well, which is a great feature of this right here. So this is a menu that you can touch and toggle through. So right there guys, I plug it in for reference, so we can set the timer right here. So you can see different temperature for different timing. For porridge, you see the time. If it's jasmine rice, it actually show the time as well. As you can see right there, different preset. You can reset it and so forth. So you can stop, you can put it to warm, right? Sushi rice, depending on the features right here, we can stop it. Now this is a great menu which shows you, now whenever you put the rice inside this pot in here, it actually get hot depending on what you're cooking. And this is just a great little pot that you can use to cook for a social gathering. Now one of the things that I was curious to know about this pot right here, the amount of watt that this consumes, because it's an electrical pot, you know, that you have to plug it in. So if you're outside, like at a gathering, you may need to have electricity nearby for this to work. Now I was testing my battery pack on it, but because my battery pack is 300 watt, it will not work with this right here, sorry to say. But because this right here is about 13,000 kilowatt, so this takes a lot of amount of current to actually runs. So ensure that your home or anywhere you're using electricity from have a lot of wattage that can actually run this thing right here, because it takes a lot of power to actually power this right here. And depending on how long you're cooking, it will take a lot of current. So a quick disclaimer, this product was sent to me by a company to actually check out, show you guys the features of this. Now if you're the first time coming across one of these pot, now this is target different audience from my subscriber, but I know that most of you guys do cook at home, and if you happen to want something to actually cook your rice or for any function, this is one of the great choice that you can. Now there are many more different products out there on the market within this price range are similar to this one, but I can attest that this is one of the great choice that you guys can look into if you want this larger pot, because when I first got this I was searching online and there's no other that I can see with this capacity, with this amount of function, with this price range right here. So this right here is a great option. I'm definitely gonna do an update video of this, probably show you guys some cooking, but I don't think I can have enough rice to fill this up right here, because guys, this is a big pot right here. This can feed the whole family. I don't have the amount of rice that can fill this, right? I might have to cook some and leave or something like that, but just showing you guys this product right here. And yeah, hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, because you won't miss out the next time I post. Until next time, stay peace, bless, I'm out.